What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Johannesburg, South Africa. We're going to go over Fantom. Been getting quite a few requests to cover FTM, so we're going to do that. We're sitting at 33 cents, up 14% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 834 million. 24-hour volume, 436 million. So let's jump into the charts. We're going to start here on the daily. Now, please remember that this is my analysis, and Elliott Wave is subjective to the person who is drawing it out, the person who's doing the analysis. So just take it with a grain of salt. So in my opinion, we've gone through a massive ABC correction, and we may have already completed a 5-wave structure to the downside. We've come down in our wave 1. Here was your wave 2 pullback. Your largest, oh, come on. Here's your wave 1, your wave 2 pullback. This was your largest wave 3 all the way down here. This is your wave 4, and you completed your wave 5. You broke that wick low, completing the wave 5, and now it looks like we may be starting to reverse the trend. Of course, if Bitcoin goes lower, like I'm expecting ETH to, then we'd have to be looking at a different wave count, because I was looking for Matic to come down to, or sorry, for Fantom to come down to 15 cents, as we've been covering on the channel. I haven't made a Fantom video in quite a while, but I was looking for about 15 cents. So we didn't quite come down there, but of course we could bottom out here at about 19 cents, not really that far off, right? So I was also watching this falling wedge pattern. We have 3 points of contact. Patterns are also subjective. Like I could easily move out this trend line and, it'd be something else. But I'm always looking for 3 points of contact. So you have 1, 2, 3, basically 4, and you've broken out. So you are in a technical target all the way up to the top of the wedge, which is coming in at about 84 cents. Now, if we zoom in, we're going to go into the 1-hour time frame to look for a smaller wave count. This is what I was seeing here. So we broke out, and you can see a 5-wave structure to the upside. So we're looking at a wave 1 right here. We came up, we made our wave 1. This was, I'm going to have to make that smaller. This was corrective, probably an ABC correction. There's your wave 2, and you've exploded. You broke this previous high, which gives you more confirmation that you're putting in that wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We're going to make this much smaller because it's one of the subwaves. So we're going to drop it down to micro, and we're going to change the color to yellow. Hope everybody's doing well, and hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. All right, so we're gonna do a measurement for the wave 3 here. What you do is take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of your wave 1 all the way up to the top of your wave 1 to the bottom of your wave 2, and you're looking for a minimum one. Oh, come on, I'm having a lot of issues with the mouse today. You're looking for a minimum extension of the 1.618. So your minimum target is sitting right around 40 cents for a wave 3, and then you see a wave 4 pullback, and put in a wave 5 of a larger wave 1 to the upside, and we'll see if Fantom can reverse the trend. In my opinion, what you want to see here on the daily for a trend reversal is for Fantom to come up and break this cluster of resistance on the daily. If you come up, you break these highs of about 45 cents, in my opinion, you're reversing the trend on the daily. You're no longer in a downtrend, and you're now beginning to create higher highs and higher lows and starting an uptrend. We're not quite there yet, but definitely a possibility. So what I'll look to do here, if we do make a 5-wave move to the upside and create a larger wave 1, I'll look to get in on that wave 2 pullback for a more long-term hold. And if we break lower, then I'll just continue to DCA. If we come down, we break this wave 5 low. But in the short term, let's look at our indicators on the daily. Yeah, we're doing fine. We're over the 50 line, which is bullish. I'm sure the 4-hour and the 1-hour are trending towards overbought. Yeah, so you can see on the 4-hour trending towards overbought. Money flow is quite high. That is usually an early indicator of move back down, just as you saw right here. Indicators were overbought. We saw a move back down. But sometimes price can explode. I mean, the indicators are about 75% accurate. So it's just something to help you along your trading journey. Yeah, we're really overbought on the 1-hour. We are starting to see a little bit of volume. We do have reversal volume on the daily. You see we came down. You see all this volume right here? That means there's a lot of trading going on in this area, and the bears tried to continue to push down the price, and finally the bulls were tired of it. They said no more. We're starting to see a little pickup of volume right here, but to have a bullish confirmation of a breakout to the upside, I would like to see more volume, but it can take time. I mean, look at this volume right here. You saw a little spike, and then we slowly started to climb, and then your volume really started to pick up, as you can see right here, and FTM just exploded. I remember these days we were making some juicy profits on this huge huge pump. Look at this pump, guys, from the bottom on the daily. This is insane. 1,000% pump in 48 days. That's just crazy. Crypto is absolutely incredible. All right, guys. So the wave 3 target, the 1.618 at a minimum, will drop in a box. You know, we like to drop in our boxes. So I'm going to drop in a box at the 1.618, in between the 1.618 and the 2.618 for the wave 3. And then you put in that wave 4 correction, your final wave 5, which can finish anywhere above the wave 3. We can give a measurement for that, but we'll do that in a bit. So in between about 40 to 51 cents for a potential wave 3, we've broken this high, bullish signal for FTM, and we could be potentially reversing the trend. If we come down, we lose this low here, it invalidates it, and we'd have to be looking at a deeper wave 5. Which is what I'm expecting. I am expecting Bitcoin to put in one more wave down, but I could be completely wrong. And this could be the bottom for crypto, potentially. We'll see. I'm going to open up the Discord. We're making some absolutely massive profits with our trade signals on Gala Games. I think I'm up like 90% on my leverage trade, on 5x leverage. We'll quickly pop it open here. It's coming in at $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Most of these guys are charging like 50, 100 here on YouTube. I might increase it eventually, but as you can see right here, boom, up 91% on the Gala trade. I gave a signal in the Discord for that trade. Locked in 25% of my profits, moved my stop loss to break even. So making some juicy gains there. And I post news. I also post my analysis in the trade signals at the $10 membership. And there's other things, my spot trades. We have HODL alt plays, what I'm doing with my alt positions for the long term. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it, guys. It's only $10 a month. So you can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. This is not quite focused. You can sign up to Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses. Check out my full length tutorial. That's my favorite exchange for trading. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, mashallah. Take care.